Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a conditional formatting to highlight a specific row on your template. So for example, this is our product inventory spreadsheet and I want to create a feature where I can enter the product ID, which is right here in column A. Once I enter that here, it will highlight the row for me. So this is useful because this is a really extensive spreadsheet and sometimes I want to get just this information here, but then I don't really want to freeze this because I want to make sure that I have the full information. Anyways, I just want to make sure that I highlight the row. So when I use this to highlight the row, if I want to type something in here, the highlighting disappears. So if I have this highlighted and I want to scroll in here and I want to type something in here, now I no longer have this highlighted. So this is really useful in this situation. So for this, I'm going to use Ava. Ava is our custom GPT that we trained specifically to help with Google Sheets. Even if you understand nothing of formulas, Ava will make you look like a Google Sheets expert. So let's go ahead, and all I need to do is just say, hi, please give me a formula to highlight the rows where column A data matches the data on, what is this cell? D2. That's all I'm gonna say, and then Ava usually brings up some follow-up questions if she needs to. Otherwise, it will just give you directly what you need to do, and then it explains you how it works. It explains where you need to enter the thing. So for example, here it's telling me that I go to format, conditional formatting, select the format cells in the drop down, then go to custom formula, and then paste this formula in there. So it literally gives me everything. All I'm gonna do, I'm gonna highlight all of this. And then I'm going to go to format, conditional formatting, going to add a rule. I'm going to leave this open-ended. So I'm going to follow what Ava told me and I'm going to paste this here. I'm going to scroll back here. I'm going to test it. Let's highlight 0009. Oh, that was format number. I'm going to do plain text, so 0009. And now it's highlighting the 0011, and that is because here it's giving me 2, but my inventory starts on 4. So I'm just going to change this. In case, oh, sorry, this was D2. There we go. Now it's highlighting row 12, which is the 009 product. This is all I really need to do, and if I want, I can change the color over here. I can put any color that I want. You know, I can do this, and I can change the font also. I'm gonna leave that yellow. Okay, so I'm gonna click done. And so if I ever want to highlight product, you know, 0199, now it's showing over here, and now I can scroll all the way, and if I want to type something in here, it will still be highlighted. Give a thumbs up if that was a good tip, and I'll see you in the next video.